Time is of the essence for athletes. A few seconds can make the difference between a medal and a memory. Much depends, of course, on the athlete, his training, stamina, determination, and physique. But there are many additional factors that can give a cyclist the edge needed to be a winner.
Audrey Cordon-Ragot, championne de France!
ALTEN, the French Cycling Federation, and the National Centre for Scientific Research set their sights on improving cyclists' performance in preparation for the most important competition, the 2024 Olympic Games, at the top of the list. They've turned their attention to time trial optimization using approaches at the crossroads of physical modelling, big data, and artificial intelligence. How can we surpass the limits of sporting performance? How does innovation enable athletes to achieve new records? The teams began by applying their engineering knowledge to optimize athletes' performance. Data science and learning algorithms, aerodynamics, mechanical and biomechanical engineering, modelling and 3D printing. Their expertise has enabled cyclists to go from competitors to champions. These calculations not only allowed Audrey Cordon-Ragot to win, but also to win by a margin of 3 seconds over second place, 10 seconds over third, and 13 seconds over fourth, winning the title of European champion.